If you are using Kami to hand out assignments for your students, one tool that is built in that could add some interactivity is this comment tool or add some support. So you could add text comments, you could add voice comments, you could add video comments if you're simply just wanting to re-explain the directions in your own words, or the screen capture one can be really powerful. So I'm going to highlight where I want to put that comment, just like any of my Google tools. And then because I picked screen capture, it's asking what I want to share. And for this instance, I just need to share my Chrome tab. I could share the whole screen if I want. And notice I start recording right away. You'll also notice as the teacher that a box here is going to pick up of you and you're going to be recorded talking through this. My camera right now is being used in the screen recording of this whole thing. And so that's why you don't see me. Okay, so I could simply go through this problem. Y equals mx plus b. It looks like my equation is already in y equals mx plus b format. So I can note that m is 5 and my b here is -2. I can start by plotting then that y-intercept of -2, 0, -2. My my slope of 5. So rise over run, I can go up 5 and over 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over 1. I could also go -5, -1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over 1. And I could keep doing this, but I could also use a line to just line this up. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the shape tool and insert a line. And now I'm going to try to get it as best I can on these dots. But what I know is that as soon as that line is placed, I can actually grab the select arrow and I can select this line and I can get it lined up a little better, just in case I dropped it in a bad spot. So that looks lined up for me. Okay, so now the question is determine if this given point is a solution to the equation. So 1, 3. So I want to look 1, 1, 2, 3. And it looks like sure enough, that is on the line. So it is a solution. So I'm going to go ahead and say yes. This point is on the line. And that's how you do all of the problems in this first section. As the teacher, you can then go ahead and scroll down. If you want to do one in this section, you could add a comment there and so on. Oh, I'm going to hit done on this comment. So notice how this now is attached to this assignment. So as the teacher, I can go over to Schoology. And then I can go ahead and choose from Kami. So here it is. I'm going to go ahead and select. And now when I open this assignment as the student, and here as a student, I can see that this first problem is done with for me. And I can go over here and listen. And I can listen to my teacher's entire work through of this problem. I can put this full screen if I would like to watch. So now here, because I'm in full screen, I can see as the student, I can watch my teacher walk me through not only the problems, I can watch which of the Kami tools my teacher is using. And then from here, I can go ahead and, oops, I'm going to pop out of full screen. And then now here as the student, I can continue and do the rest of the problems. But I always have this first example to refer back to. So just a neat way to add a little interaction to any of your Kami activities.